Welcome to the day 4 of our 7 days graphic design challenge. So I'll be quickly showing you how to create this flyer from scratch using your mobile phone. So let's just dive into the tutorial today. So as usual, let's import the background. Okay, let me just turn this background to white. So if you actually want to know how I was able to get these materials that I use in this video, then you need to buy my course. Not really this material alone, but if you really want to grow in this design industry, then you need to buy that course. It's like a 2-in-1 course for both advanced and beginner graphic designer. So the course will really help you a lot. How to grow, how to sharpen your design skill, how to be creative. Some persons will be like, creativity cannot be taught. That's a lie. Creativity can be taught. Yes, quote me anyway. Creativity can be taught. So all you just need is to meet the right people at the right time. So this is a design, the first design. So let's bring in our original design. You know how we do it. Work according to the original design to achieve this one. So let's bring in our original design. So I always tell you guys that all the design that I did here, all the design that you're seeing that I created, they were not done by me. Big shout out to the designer that did the design. Big shout out to him. I don't know him personally. I would have actually got him a land. Just kidding. So now this is our image. I have to place it properly. Then let me close this one. I see now. So the question is, how can we get this design done like this now? So now all you do at this point is to first of all merge Dusinoyenka with the background. That's this background that you created. Merge the both of them together. Sorry. Yes, merge Dusinoyenka and the background you imported. That's the first thing you will do. They are now one. Then now create a shape. Go to your shape. Then create your shape like this. Just create it like this. Then rotate it like this. Are you seeing what I'm doing? If you want to get access to the resources that we're using in this video, pay attention. There will be different code that will display at different intervals. Join them together, then use them to unlock the material that we are used. Now drop this shape at this point of Dusinoyenka set. So let's just work with the original background. So drop this shape here. Drop it like this. Then now turn the shape to any color that is not on the design. So let's just check another one. Okay, there are two shapes. Copy the shape again. Then you drop it here. For now, hide this one first. So just copy this one, change the color of this one. So a color that is not on this design. So red is not here. Let's merge this background and the first shape together. Okay. Then I go to your color picker or color eraser. Then pick out the red color. Then go to your tolerance and reduce the tolerance to 30. Just reduce the tolerance to 30. Then hide your original design. Are you seeing what we are doing here? Now go and import your image. That's the image that you were smiling in. That image. Go and import it. There's the image. Download. Okay, let's go to our eraser. That's a photo. No. Photo room. Okay, it's not here. Let's go to our Pixellab. Okay, this is the image. Now this image, now all you need to do is to increase the size of this image. Just increase the size. Then you drop it. Then now you take it backward. Just bring it beneath the background. Bring it beneath the background like this. Make the smile to show. I see. Then the second thing you're going to do is to bring your ego. Okay, first of all, enter your shape. Go to your gradients. Tap on your plus sign. Make this place to be transparent. Make this other side to be black. Then bring it out a little bit like this. Then increase it. Then just cover the down part so that it will be darker, as seen in this video. Are you seeing now? So let's see what we've not achieved again. Okay, so the other shape that we created, that's this other shape. Now let's turn it to red as well. Then let's merge it now together. Merge it together. So just pay attention to what I'm doing. We've merged the wrong shape, sorry. This is the shape now. Okay, now let's merge this and this together. Yes. Then I go to your color picker also. Pick out the red. Pick out the red color. There we go. Then you also centralize it. So at this point now, you're bringing in the other image that is there. This is the image. So now you drop it here, then you take it backward so you can rotate it so that it will fit in the way you want it to be. Then you take it backward like this. Are you seeing? Then you can adjust it with your hand. Adjust it with your hand like this, yes. Then now this black shade, now bring it up like this. Then you can adjust it a bit like this. So do you see that we're almost done with our design? Then let's bring in another part of the image that carries the feather. So all you need to do is just to crop it from here. Increase the size. And you look for a way to bring it beneath this. Let's see this. Okay, we are really on track. So this is our wing. So drop it at the center, drop it here, then drop it beneath, then use your black your black shade to fade it down, to make it sensible or sensitive actually. Then let's see what we've not done. Okay, now time to write the text and all of the happy birthday stuff. So let's just do it like this now. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So we might just leave the size at 20. We'll paddle it like this. Then now look at what I want to do now. This place now, take it to happy, turn it to red. Take this place to happy birthday, you turn it to your white. Then you change embolden your fonts. You see, then you can reduce the size. Can reduce the size to 24 depending on how you want it to be. Then you can come here, create your line, like this. Then use your hand and take it up like that. Okay, so for we to be able to get this signature, this is actually like a signature. Now this part of this design is like a signature for those of you that follow this Noyenka. Yeah, it's actually like a signature for him. So the next thing is just to enter our text alongside with. Let me just enter one of the text so that you see what I'm saying. Happy birthday. Then let me reduce the size to 12, paddling to 10. Then let me rotate it. Let me turn it to black. Then let me rotate it. Then let me bring it down. Let me rotate it as well. Then let me space it out. It's just spacing to space it out like this. Then now centralize it there. Or use your hand to just drag it like this, and you drop it here. So that's how you will do for the rest of the other parts of the design. So please kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.